Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is the fourth video in a series of mini videos dealing with percentages, decimals, and fractions. If you recall, in the previous video, we worked with pretty large percentages. Well, we're going to do the opposite today by working with very small percentages. And let's take a look at 0.3% as an example. 0.3% is not 3%. It is smaller than 3%. And I'll prove it to you by moving that decimal two places to the left, just like we've been doing in our previous videos. And when we move that decimal two places to the left, 0.3% becomes 3 thousandths. And 3 thousandths is the same as writing it as 3 above 1,000. Or we can say $3 out of $1,000. Now let us apply that same procedure to 0.5% because we know that 0.5% is not 5% because of the location of that decimal in which we are going to move that decimal two places over to the left. And when we do that, we get 5 thousandths, and we can write it as a fraction as 5 over 1,000. Now let us take a look at 0.62%, in which we'll move that decimal two places over to the left, and it becomes 62 ten thousandths. Well, why 10 thousandths? Because the two moved over into the 10 thousandths position. You see, when we use our place value, we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, ten thousandths, and now we have to write it as 62 over 10,000. And think of it as $62 out of $10,000. And let us move to 0.86%, in which we will do the same thing by moving that decimal over two places to the left to turn it into 86 ten thousandths. And we can write it as 86 over 10 thousandths. You have been given a lot of information, and this would be a good time to pause the video to take a look at the procedure. Or you could just simply replay the video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of percentages, decimals, and fractions. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and I repeat, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.